Okay, another great thing with this audio system in a 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class is if you go to your iTunes, look at the bottom there, Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth is already connected. There's a tick next to it. I'm going to turn it down here. Then we go across to the unit and you've either got, media there. Click on media and you can see there that's the same tune that's playing on my phone is showing on here. If it's not for any reason, you see there, if you click forward to the media menu, there's an arrow next to the media menu. Click on media and then click when the arrow is showing. Then you've got information on media, disk, memory card, media interface, and Bluetooth audio. So just make sure Bluetooth audio is selected. Now I'm going to turn it up in the car, and then I'm going to use this to control it. I can't play it very long at all, otherwise I'll get copyright, but I'm going to turn that up more. The trouble with these clutch things is you can never judge it properly. You can't beat a proper volume control. So really great sound system in here. A good car all around, great level equipment. Thanks for watching.